Buster, let's get breakfast. Oh, are you so hungry this morning? Are you so hungry? Let's get Molly her food.
Good morning, Miss Molly. Good girl. Good morning, Busters.
Are you all done now? Good boy, Buster. Continue eating. Come on, you want to burp? Parkour. Come on. Molly. 1, 2, 3. Jump. There you go. Okay, there you go. You can give me a little burp. I don't want your kisses. Give me a burp. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on, Buster. She's got a burp. Oh. Well, Buster just burped right into Mama's face, and it wasn't even his turn. Her name is Molly, and here's a baby. She's got no burps. Oh, good burp. Good job. Good job. Okay, give me a kiss. Okay, get down. Buster, do you get any more burps, or was that one in my face enough? The one on my face was enough? Good job. Why don't my feet go down? Because I'm old and weak.